Never thought I'd be traveling the world. Like, yo, don't let the t-shirt and jeans fool you. Like, you know what I'm saying? I've accomplished a lot when I changed my brain. So I want to challenge y'all real quick. Like, ask yourself right now, all eyes on me. What kind of life you want to live? Like, where you want to be in the future? Because this world out here, it's ugly. I promise you. You mess around and go out here and you don't really harness education, you in trouble. Listen to me, I want to be an advocate for those of you that feel like I don't have much, I grew up in a messed up situation, my father's not there, you know what I'm saying, my family, I live with my auntie. I met a girl yesterday, she's like, yep, mom strung out on crack, dad dead, I live with my auntie, you know what I'm saying, but she's like, but I be dogging my auntie out. And I'm like, yo, we got to get over that. You want to be treated like an adult? Let's start acting like one. Because the success that you can experience will mess around and blow your mind. So I got to a point, I was like, shoot, I want it. I want everything I'm supposed to get out of life. Your DNA doesn't determine your destiny, your decisions do. What decision will you make today? Will you make a decision to be great? Will you make a decision like to put the work in as opposed to asking for the hand-me-downs? I promise you, like, I'm on some other stuff now. I'm trying to get everything I'm supposed to get out of life. And I'm here because there's potential inside you. So like, what's your story? Some of you, when you go home, you look around your environment, you don't like what you see. You can change that. Like, you can make that adjustment. You don't have to be like this always. But if you're not intentional about being a success, then you'll accidentally become a failure. I promise you, don't nothing come by chance. Yeah, but let's talk more action. You want to really show your mom you love her? You want to really show your family you love her? Some of you don't live with your folks. Somebody took you in. You was adopted. You got foster parents. Some of you live with aunties and grandmamas and relatives, and you still doing whatever you're doing. Like, you want to really show them you love them? Your behavior, like how you respond, how you produce, how you perform in school, that's when you're going to show them how much you love them. So I was just like, yo, everybody who talked negative about me, I'm about to show them they was wrong about me. And everybody who believed in me, I'm about to prove them right. Hey, what's up? I hope you enjoyed today's video, and check this out. You gotta subscribe because I've got so many more videos in store for you. And when they come out, I want them to come directly to you. So click subscribe and let's keep building together.